when you change a zone damper, you're going to need a couple basic tools. So this damper is connected to the duct here and connected to this duct here. There's going to be a strap here, so you're going to need something to cut that strap with. There will also be a strap under here. You're also going to need a razor knife to cut this insulation so we can peel it back and get to the duct underneath. So once you get underneath, there's going to be some screws attaching this damper to the collar, and there's going to be some screws, more than likely, keeping the flex attached here. So you'll need more than likely a 1/4 inch, and you'll need a 5/16. So we'll set that there. You're going to need your drill, and you'll also need some tape. Okay, what I like to do is, first we're going to have the power off. All right, you'll want to record the wiring here so that you can put it back the way it was. In this case, we have the damper wired with the yellow to the orange and the blue to the yellow. Now, since this system is working, we verified that it worked. We're just going to put it back the way it was. All right, and then of course, we're going to verify that it works when we're done with it. Okay, so we're going to get our razor knife out here. And what we'll do is, I want you to feel where the damper is, so you can feel it right there. What I like to do is, I like to cut. Let me get my sharper knife. I like to cut here, straight up just like this, right to where that damper is. And we're just going to cut the insulation back. So we'll get one line here, just like that. Okay, so you can see we're exposing the strap, and we're going to do the same thing down here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this strap out of my way. Okay, so we have this opened here. There's a strap here at the bottom. What I'm going to do is go ahead and cut that strap off. Okay. Now, I'm going to cut this section here, just like that. Okay, so now we have this insulation peeled back here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel it back. I'll peel it back up like this. What you can do to make it a little easier on yourself, just cut it up just a little bit more there, and then we'll peel it up. Okay, so now you see I've exposed this duct here. Now I will remove this strap here. And peeling this back is going to make it much easier when you put the new damper in place. You just pull the insulation down, you tape it there where you split it, you tape it there where you split it, and then you seal it up here at the bottom. Super easy. All right, the second strap is removed. Now, this flex here will just lift off. Oh, of course, it's not going to lift off without the tape. So we'll remove the tape from here. Okay, now the damper is completely disconnected from the top. Now all we need to do is just get the screws from the damper at the bottom. Okay, now the damper is out. Here's the new damper. All right, so we are going to set the new damper onto the collar here. I'm not wearing gloves, so I'm just gonna be a little bit more careful. All right, okay, so we've got that there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna screw this back in. Okay, once you have it screwed in, you want to go ahead and tape it around here so that it's sealed. Now you want to use a good 181 tape. I'm at a friend's house helping him, so this is the tape that I have. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull this strap here down to flex. Okay, once you get that flex on, you remember when we cut this? The reason we did that is because all you have to do is just pull this over. Pull it down just like that. Get these wires out of the way. Okay. And then you can just pull it tight, just like that. Get your tape here, seal it just like that, and you'll be done. That's how you change the damper very quickly.